Okay, so what are we doing? What did you do? Okay, we're we are so dumb.
Where's Evan? I know! And they're not honking, they're perverts. Really little perverts.
They read it. Of course they don't.
Smile!
Oh, yeah! We got one honk.
No, didn't.
Yeah, she was like, beep, beep, we're over there. Butthole?
They hate
Of course not.
They read it, but don't do anything. I was laughing like a pervert because that was Rachel. Yep.
Smiling already his bike.
They read it! I know, they're not even honking.
Maybe they have no clue who it is.
Honk already. Ah! Okay, here's a lot of people.
No. He hates us too. One honk.
Not even. That guy won't even honk. He's a patsy. So he gets Okay, this is going away. Why don't they honk while waiting? I know. It's a good use of time. I got Rick down Justin Bieber.
We can put it on the back honk for Justin Bieber. Okay, wait! Yay!
But he was waving up. And he was like 5. He waved up.
They must really suck.
Yep. Stop by my weapon for me. I love to put on YouTube. That was like a ton of walking. That's okay. God, you put too much writing down. Where's the main word? Talking about Marianas trench. Honks!
Oh, lady.
Looking at her reflection. That was
Like, oh,
me.
my makeup is smudging.
Like, I didn't even look. The butthole is sad.
Oh, honk.
We're talking Marianas trench. Okay, she hates me.
Edgy people much.
They love them! I dropped it.
Yay! Anyway, one honk. We should have put Justin Bieber.
Not even
We must be so beloved. Oh, it's so beloved.
She's like, who are they?
He's like, what?
Honk if you like this color green. Honk if you like this people. Honk if you hate Sally.
We're contagious.
Honk if you love them. Honk if you hate Sally. Oh, we got the honk last time. Here, you gotta add a honk. Honk if you hate Sally.
We got two honks.
No, we got one.
No, that one way over there, she's honked. Wait, over
Honk
there.
if you hate Sally.
Yeah.
Honk if you love Marianas trench. Honk if you love them. Honk if you hate Sally. Honk if you love them. Okay.
Okay, wait, okay. Okay.
You love them.
Honk.
I tried to smile at them so that they'll honk.
Look at
Smiles are irresistible.
Sorry.
Because my smiles are irresistible. We kept looking. You didn't even look at us, dude. Honk if you love Marianas trench. Honk if you hate Sally. Honk.
Yeah.
Honk. They're old people. They don't even know what it is. They don't even know what a poster is.
I am extremely tall. Now I gotta jump down.
Keep behind me.
I bet they're thinking we're hobos.
We're not asking for money. We're asking. And we have an expensive camera.
Very expensive.
Honk, honk, honk. Go. Honk, 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 honk. Honk if you hate Sally. Honk if you hate me. They read it, but don't bother doing anything.
Stupid
No,
businesswoman.
one of them. She put her hand up, Honk. At least she didn't. She's like, should we sing for them? 1, 2, 3! No concrete!
Go, go!
On the bad seat! I think blowing home, you're compromised! Rachel?
Go the turn on the breakdown.
1,000 Backdoor.
Nothing left of me all to get around, ignore the feed, the pond, the sleepers. All the ghost pods.
Why do old people come down here?
I don't know.
No, the 6 days. They make the stop line. There's a stop sign. So they can like stop there and go like, thank you. Smiles aren't Honk.
They seem so happy.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Did you get to Honk?
Yeah. I've been recording for a little while. Oh my god, yay! Just make sure you don't drop the signs though.
Yeah, I love you. I love you. We love you! See, over here, drop the sign. That was a fail in terms of the honk. Rachel, so many people love him. Love you. Oh my god.
Yay!
I know, they're probably honks to get a sound of you. Wow. Look at all people running. They're so mature. I know. Oh, she was trying.
Yay! Oh god.
We're all feet crossed. Love you!
Yay!
I actually love them. You can tell. It's like Fred. Love you! Love you! I broke my...
People are awesome. Love them all. There was this teenager in the car. That was probably our best chance.
Yeah, that girl was like, she was like screaming.
She's like, oh my god.
I know she read my side. She's like, Honk, Marianas.